Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can schedule a meeting in Zoom. So in this case, log into your Zoom first with ID and password. After login, you'll find here uh, this meetings option. Click on this meetings, and then you'll find here a plus icon. This one, schedule meeting. Click on this, and you can see here schedule meeting. Now click on schedule meeting. Then a new window is open. You can see here the topic, so name your topic or the meeting name. Today's classroom. Okay, now if you have any special attendees, then write their name or email ID like this. Now draw, you can see here date and time, so put your date and time when you want to schedule the meeting. Like I want this meeting should be started at today at 8:45 and shall be end in 9:50 or 9:30. Okay, date is 9/11/2023. So if the date and time is okay, then scroll down and you'll find here passcode. Just copy this passcode and send to the your people who want to join this meeting, like their chat box or in personal email or message. Okay, so send this code. Without this code they can't join the meeting. And then if all is good, host off, participant off, you can turn this on. If all is good to you, then just click on this save, and then you can see here your meeting is ready. It will be started within 9 minutes, or this is the time what you have said, and this is the meeting ID. You can copy this meeting ID too and send your students or any fellow who want to join this meeting. Okay, so guys, this is how you can do this or schedule a meeting in Zoom. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.